Continuing to follow the major news from overnight as Hurricane Melissa made landfall as a Category 3 storm in Cuba. The second landfall comes just hours after it brought heavy flooding and wind damage across Jamaica yesterday, slamming into the island nation as a Category 5. Authorities in Cuba say more than 700,000 people have evacuated out of the storm's path. And for one Iowa man, the devastation caused by Melissa is certainly hitting close to home.
Now, Antonio Riley of Bondurant says it's the worst hurricane he's seen hit his home country since 1988, and his father still lives there. Local 5's Megan McPherson is here with more. And Megan, what is Antonio now hearing from?
Yeah, Dana and Joseph, as Hurricane Melissa churned through Jamaica, Antonio writes that his father hunkered down in his Ocho Rios home that's in the northern part of Ray. And for the past week, Riley's father has been seeing signs of trouble, fallen trees and flattened fruit crops, including banana trees. Now, ahead of landfall in New Hope, Jamaica, roughly 100 miles southwest of Ocho Rios, the family stocked up on food, candles, and emergency supplies, not knowing that power outages could last for weeks. Riley says Jamaicans are used to hurricanes, but storms of this magnitude are rare. It's a reminder of just how unpredictable these events can be. Riley is asking Iowans to keep Jamaica and all of the people who live there as Melissa continues to roll through. Now, also hurricane fall in Cuba, as Joseph mentioned early Wednesday morning. The National Hurricane says that the storm remains extremely dangerous with maximum sustained winds near 120 miles per hour.